logistics. One of our experts will give you a customized quote according to the true size of your move, ensuring the removal service is specifically designed for your needs. Fully insured. As a team, we're committed to moving your valuables securely and without a scratch. But we know that sometimes accidents can happen. That's why when you move with us, you're fully covered. Top-of-the-line vehicles. Posch and Silva offer our customers the right size moving vehicle, completely spotless and fully geared up. Friendly and personable service. We treat your belongings as if they're our own, and where required, offer our white glove service to ensure nothing is stained or damaged. Complete removal service. We provide you with a range of moving services, including dismantling and assembling, packing and unpacking, packing materials and storage, offering you a complete removal service.